In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can schedule your Instagram Lives. Scheduling Instagram Lives is crucial for maximizing engagement and reaching your audience at their most active times. It helps followers anticipate your content, ensures you're prepared, and increases the likelihood of participation. Scheduling also allows you to promote the event in advance, boosting attendance and interaction. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. Access your Instagram camera. Then slide to the live session. Tap right here on Schedule. You will then click on Get Started. Set time you want your live to get public. You can also put your live video title. Your soonest scheduled live broadcast will appear on your profile below your profile picture. All your followers will receive a notification reminding them about your scheduled live broadcast 24 hours and 15 minutes before the time you selected. That's how easy it is to schedule live videos on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.